Hey little yogis, are you ready to become strong like a tree and fly like a superhero? Today we're going to move, stretch, and have so much fun together. We'll balance, breathe, and feel happy and calm. Get your body ready, take a big deep breath, and let's go.
Rabbit. Curl your body down like a little rabbit. Cow. Drop your belly and look up to the sky. Good job! Penguin. Walk with small steps like a penguin. Good job! Rainbow. Bend your body gently like a rainbow. Moon. Reach your arms up and curve your body. Easy pose. Sit comfortably and relax your body. Cobra. Lie down and lift your chest up. Dolphin. Put your arms down and lift your hips up. Downward dog. Lift your hips and make a triangle shape. Bridge. Lie down and lift your hips up. Shoulder roll. Slowly roll your shoulders in a circle. Wide forward fold. Stand wide and bend your body down. Good job. Table. Put your hands and knees down. Keep your back flat. Circle. Move your arms in a big circle. Mountain. Stand tall and stay still. Starfish. Lie down and stretch your arms and legs wide. Tree. Balance on one leg. Flamingo. Stand on one leg and balance. Airplane. Lean forward and stretch your arms. Heel lift. Stand on your toes and hold. One leg stand. Stand on one leg and keep your balance. Smile. Stand tall and give a big, happy smile. Good job.